Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to show you how to easily display unread spam emails in the label list on Gmail on your PC with the new update. Let's get started. First, open gmail.com on your web browser. Next, look at the top bar and click on the gear icon located on the right-hand side. Then click on See All Settings to access the Settings menu. Once you're in the Settings menu, navigate to the Labels section. In the Labels section, scroll down until you find the Spam label. Click on the Spam label to expand its options. Within the Spam label options, look for the Show If Unread option. Make sure to check the box next to it. This will ensure that any unread spam emails will now be displayed in the label list on the left-hand side of your Gmail inbox. And that's it. You've successfully set up Gmail to show unread spam emails in the label list on your PC. We hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful, and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.